We have a 98% pass rate on this flat. Keep the line moving smoothly.
The digital tracking shows a 99% success rate for this batch. Excellent. We are ready for the chamber.
The count matches the display. Perfect accuracy as expected.
Route 42 is fully loaded and verified.
Copy that. Dispatching now. The climate-controlled trucks leave the hatchery together in an organized convoy. The camera follows the vehicles traveling across beautiful...
Okay, shipment confirmed. All crates verified against the manifest.
Temperature looks stable in this section.
Yes, they are spreading out well. We can remove this barrier now.
Engines. Automatic nipple drinkers provide clean, fresh water throughout the poultry house. Young chicks quickly learn to drink from the modern water.
The AI flagged this group's feeding behavior here. Rerouting the nutrient delivery now. The growth metrics are stable.
This sensor here needs recalibration. Okay, I'm logging the variance now.